7 minutes to defrost meat quickly. My butcher taught me a trick. Hello, nice to see you again on Clever Tricks. Have you ever been in this situation? Just took the meat out of the freezer, it was hard as a rock while you were in a hurry to cook a meal? This is definitely a familiar scene to many people. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Normally, to defrost meat, we have to wait a long time, even to the point of losing patience. So is there a way to defrost meat quickly while still keeping it fresh like when you first bought it? The answer is yes. And right after this, I will reveal to you a simple trick. In just 7 minutes, the frozen meat will be soft, fresh, and delicious again, ready for all your favorite dishes. Don't miss it. Prepare a pot. First, mix 40-degree warm water by taking 5 parts cold water and 1 part hot water. Do not use hot water because it will dry out the meat. Using cold water will take a long time to defrost. Warm water is best. Once the water is warm, add 1 teaspoon of salt. Next, add 1 teaspoon of sugar. For 500 grams of meat, use 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Next, add 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Stir well to dissolve the salt and sugar. Sugar not only helps to thaw the ice quickly, but also makes the meat fibers softer after cooking. Moreover, it does not lose the original fresh flavor of the meat. Salt also has the effect of lowering the freezing point of water, helping to thaw faster. In addition, salt also has antibacterial properties, making the meat safer and more delicious. Now, put the meat in the mixed water basin. Soak for 7 to 10 minutes. White vinegar contains a lot of acetic acid. Acetic acid can lower the freezing point of water, reduce the amount of ice on the surface of the meat, and help the meat thaw faster. White vinegar can also remove the bad smell of the meat and make the meat more delicious. When the time is up, let's see the magic happen. The meat is completely tender. You can easily bend it. Although the meat looks quite large, it is completely thawed. This method is very effective. The key is that the meat is still very fresh, just like when you bought it, and this is the easiest time to cut the meat. Whether sliced or minced, it is very easy to shape and can be cut very evenly. Cut the meat into 3 large pieces. By defrosting like this, the meat not only defrosts quickly, but also retains its freshness and flavor. There is no change in the inner or outer layers. Fast and effective, right? Next, I will share with you how to cook delicious pork belly. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. First, heat the pan over high heat. Place the pork skin side down in the pan and pan fry the skin. This method not only helps remove remaining hair, but also effectively eliminates odors. When pan frying, you can move the meat around the bottom of the pan without leaving it in one place. This process only takes a few minutes until the pork skin turns brown. This helps clean the skin on the outside. Pork belly cooked this way will not smell bad. Then, put it in warm water. Use a knife to scrape off the burnt pork skin. This step is very important. Otherwise, the pork belly will have a very unpleasant smell. Just scrape until the pork skin turns light yellow. Then, wash the pork belly. Pork belly cooked this way will not smell bad at all. It will be very fragrant when cooked. Change the water and wash it 2 more times to clean it better. Wash it, then put it in a basket to drain. Now pour water into the steamer. Cover and bring the water to a boil over high heat. Once the water boils, place the steamer rack in. Then place each piece of meat on the steamer rack. Be careful not to place the pieces of meat too close together so that the meat cooks more evenly. Reduce the heat to medium and steam for 20 minutes. While waiting, you can prepare your favorite dipping sauce. Cut a sufficient amount of chili into thin slices. If you can't eat spicy food, you can skip it. Put the chili in a small bowl. Take a few cloves of garlic, crush them with a knife, then chop them finely. Put the garlic in a bowl. Take a few stalks of green onions, chop them finely, and put them in the bowl with the garlic and chili. Now add 1 tablespoon of sesame. Then pour in the hot oil to stimulate the aroma. Then stir immediately with chopsticks to heat the sauce evenly. Next, add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Add 1 tablespoon of salt to enhance the basic flavor. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, light soy sauce. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. Balsamic vinegar not only makes the dish more delicious, but also creates a sour and spicy taste that stimulates the taste buds. Stir well. The dipping sauce is ready. Set aside to serve. Now it's time for the steamed meat to be cooked. Open the lid. Oh, the aroma of the meat is so appealing. If you can easily pierce it with chopsticks, it means the meat is cooked. Remove the meat from the pot. Place on a cutting board and slice thinly while the meat is still hot. Try to slice as thinly as possible. This way, it won't be too greasy to eat. Arrange the slices of meat on top of each other on a plate. Arrange in a circle. Then, pour the dipping sauce into the middle of the meat dish. The delicious steamed meat dish, not greasy, is completed. Very suitable to eat with rice or noodles. If you like, try it. If you have a better way to defrost meat, please leave a comment to share with everyone. Thank you very much for your support. The video ends here. If you have any comments, please comment below. If you find the video interesting, please like. Don't forget to share it with your relatives and friends. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your support. Goodbye and see you in the next video.